Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Takbir!
Allah
Allahu Akbar!
Allah Akbar.
Gusto ko lang ipaalam sa inyo, no? Yesterday, I was requested to craft a petition, no? For certiorari prohibition with prayer for preliminary injunction and TRO, supposedly for Senator Bato de la Rosa only, no? So, ang strategy sana was mag-file ako in the morning, but then something happened pagkagabi. I was requested to include the former president, yung ating pinakamamahal na si President Rodrigo Duterte. So, trinabaho namin, walang tulugan, and we were able to file it, no? Kaninang hapon kasi mahirap masyado, pati pagpanotaryo hindi kami pinapapasok, no? Yung notaryo publiko hindi pinapapasok. So we had difficulty in communicating likewise kasi kaninang umaga pumasok kami ni Attorney Martin Delgra, no? I was supposed to assist him, and nagkahiwalay kami dahil sa confusion. Siya yung nakapasok, ako ang nasa labas, pero it became a blessing in disguise kasi natapos namin yung petition at the file. And we were hoping for a TRO, and there was a news kanina na may TRO. So what we did was, I, Attorney Raul Lambino, as well as Kuya Ipe Salvador went to the Supreme Court. But apparently, may nag-overtime doon, so we could not get a hard copy of the order, and we could not verify whether or not the report is in fact true. But what our authorities, ang ginawa nila, minamadali masyado, at ngayon, pinalipad na po si ating pinakamamahal na si Presidente Rodrigo Duterte.